All right, today's SPY was up 1.5%, and this is the arrow that I drew on Friday. I was talking about the possibility of a bull trap early this week, and that bull trap means that we're going to get a lower high bounce, so I'm still on the lookout for that. Again, this is what I think is the highest probability chance. It doesn't mean I'm going to be right, but I do believe based on price action with this sell-off that we had for the last 2 days to close out last week, that we are indeed setting up a bull trap here. So we're already starting out with the bounce, which is perfect, and then from here, we're looking for any lower high bounce that fails to make a brand new all-time high. So watch this closely. The expectation is that we will fail at a lower high. I don't know exactly where the lower high is going to be, but it has to be down below 640. For example, we could bounce even higher towards 635 or even 636. As long as it's lower than 640, this is the bull trap scenario, and I am looking for the reversal from that lower high to send us for the next leg lower to either finish this pullback or this stock market correction, and that could send SPY down towards about 600, and that's just the first target we'd be looking for, anywhere between 600 and 604. So watch this closely. This is what I'm looking for going into this week. Look for that lower high rejection. The break of the low down here at 619 will confirm it, and then once we break down below that low with the lower high, that's when we can really start to liquidate long positions, and you're going to see the bears really starting to short this market. So watch that very critical support at 619, and any potential lower high rejection would be in the mid 630s. On the NASDAQ 100 triple Qs, we were up 1.85%. And again, it's going to be the same exact story as SPY. We are looking for a strong correlation here for a lower high rejection from the bull trap bounce. And this is going to be anywhere between 564 up to about 569. But really anything below 575, which is a failure to break to a new all-time high, that is going to be our lower high rejection. The confirmation will be the break of the low right around 551 to 552. And then below that low breakdown, we should easily get towards about 532 to 534. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm calling it a bull trap because if you're getting bullish during the bounce and you think the pullback is over, that is the part where the bulls will be trapped as the market reverses and sharply starts going down lower to finish out this pullback. Looking at Bitcoin, we were looking for these lower highs to result in a break below support at 117,000, and that was going to bring us down to 112,000, and we did hit 112,000, and now that we're bouncing, there's going to be another possibility for another lower high rejection below the breakdown, which was 117,000, and then we could continue lower with another leg lower to bring us down to 107,000. So for Bitcoin, I would stay risk off below 117,000. As you can see, this is all lower highs and lower lows now on the failure of the breakdown. And any retest of this breakdown could easily be another lower high rejection below 117,000. So say risk off below that. If we break down below 112,000, you're looking for 107,000. And then a quick check at our performance. We are up 22.85% year to date. We broke out to a brand new all-time high today, and you can have this same exact performance because this is my trade alert service called TSC Trade Alerts, where you get all of my buy and sell alerts for the exact percent allocations that I am taking for the TQQQ or the SQQQ. This is the best way to trade along with me if you want to absolutely crush this market. And now is a great time to join because of all of this market volatility. We will be making lots of trades during this volatile time. You can find out how to join TSC Trade Alerts by clicking on the link in the description of this video. So thank you for watching, everybody. Now go crush this market.